all getting changed. And the new header. Okay. We had them take that out of the wall and put the floor vent in. Of course, in here there's not a whole lot of difference. There's still no drywall on the ceiling yet. But you can see where stove and plugs are going to go in the new gas line there. And the hole where that used to come up through the floor. You can see there we got the new toe kit coming. And still doing the construction in here for sure. See where the plumbing and things went. Yes, bub. I am videoing. Melissa's talking to me through the floor. Yeah, that's because there's holes in there. Back here's pretty much the same still. And here you can see the new fence side of things. And our big garbage pile of stuff. I don't know, it's crazy. Okay, that's it. Bye. Back to the stairwell here. This is where we were talking about with the molding. So this molding is going to now go all the way across to hide that there, and then just sand the treads down. The building inspector did make us take one tread up because he wanted to see what was under it, which, as you can see, is not much. But you can see this is the old original step, and it had something here. I have no idea what that was, but stuff for protecting in the middle of the stair, yeah. The dogs. There's a crazy beast himself. Okay, what you can see in here. The light in here, and this room